are here today with Machun family to watch the annual football match between Rongmei Christian Fellowship and Community Bible Churches Delhi, that is CBCD versus RCF Delhi. This is the Basant Kunz rugby ground. I am little late because of that. The match has already started, and these are the cheerleaders. Majun meeting his friend Ilona. They are the cheerleaders, and this is Edwin da. No, Aurora. Better to take picture from the front side. Yeah, cheerleader pang in Thai. Kazan ni salah tu di player ni kan? Hai. Đi đóng thầu chỗ này tôi nuôi ngon tiếng là cái cục mày số mình thiệt thì giáo tiên đều ạ còn bố đi có vậy. You can also see a volleyball court beside this corner, and this is the football field. The match is going on, and the score is 0 versus 0 so far.
1-1.
Sorry. I was told that the goal score is 1 versus 1 so far. Another goal score from RCF Delhi. Kanai how? 2 RCFD 2 versus 1 CBCD. Hey! Sapat pa sa good. Upside that, where the first goal was not considered. Consider sumang mai. Okay. The previous goal was cancelled due to the upside, and the latest goal was considered, so the score is 1 versus 1. You can stand by Naya Hinaya. Cái này lùng to cái gì là to mình mắm tông thì nghe RCF the support na léo kho cái này ní sản nó khổ gột bên thế. And the match is going on. The score is 0 versus 0. 0 mà nghe 1 versus 1. RCFD tông goalkeeper action khâu bà mẹ. He is in a large mode now. And there was Mr. Stomach. Rena bola kante defense re kamaya. Lungan. Vai do lo re na kham ji lo kante. Oh, CBCD re cao kai the. There ho goi ba me. Ai ding he. Stopper hi nu de. Ga sin thoi na thui lo cái zan thăm bài mai thế. Oh, no way! Oh! Kalan gì lâu cần thế? Làm sao mà đi? Ok. Oh, ai ta có tin hơi? Hai, we sell đi. Oh, cao ngờ con tình hết. Stopper rồi. Oh, tawa RC kali ami run hak ba me keeper na kaw golo kan the out throw det we out throw offside det we thôi mà kha cuối sal puta complain này stopper out shoot sungang kan the แต่ว่า CBCD ก็เรียกมา Mr. Zeden CC Pastor Thomas Italian sauce บ่แม่เอาไว้บำเท Mr. Obed บอลพังกันทีกำลังงานกันทีจีดกันที CBCD บอลพังดักกันทีเดียวว่าใกล้กันเน่บอลคีเปอร์บอลพังดักกันเน่สไตรเกอร์ป่วยที่น่าปุ่นไงมากันเดียวน้องกระท้อนเวลาเรานิมจีเราดักกันเทช่วยแบบแม่เขาก็แบบแม่มิสเตอร์ก็ดอลงอีเดนพูให้ตัวนี้เจี๊ยบได้ก็เสะเขาดงแบบแม่ตั้งแต่ CBCD ตรงเจี๊ยบได้ปังเหรอCBCD เต็มใบสวยเด้ใส่ตรงเที่ยวขาต้องปั๊บมันได้หาบใกล้มันดิ่งไงJadi ngam tu, hamala ini na. CBCD tu refreshment. This is wonderful. These are the energy top up or backup, keeping for the player. แต่ว่าตัวตัวมันสุดท้ายได้มั้งแค่บอลcontrol สบายไหม CBCD ก็เลยไม่รู้ RCFD goal ได้นุกไก่กระตุบไหม so far the score is 1 versus 1Stopper กำลังงานกันไทย Mr. กอดลงปกตัวได้กันไทยเอากุกันไทย Mr. Dizzy and Roy CBCD ก็เรียกเวลาด้นะปักไก่กันเน่สวยMr. Jaden บอกไก่กันไทย Pastor Thomas กำลังไก่กันไทยทำไมโน้ตโพลานี่ตรงนี้แต่ว่าสไตรเกอร์นี่มิดฟิลเดอร์นี่CBCD ตรงชีฟพาสเตอร์ปัวเบาไปแต่น้ำมันตาขัดไม่ไงนะกระดานน่าจะว่ามันแพ้อินจูรี่ส่งไปปัวรำเทดองไว้ไหมฮักกะเลียปะมวยเด้Tino, susukai lang niya. Fly John. Tina-fly ito papakay mo. The second half match is going to start again now. So far the score is 1 versus 1. There were goal side change sudah kan heavy CBCD and the opposite side, the other side is RCF Delhi teams. Now let me get inside and take the actions. Goalkeeper here. CBCD tong, the super goalkeeper. There striker, Mr. Jersey number 4. Striker up ning stopper blaสบายไหมตอนนี้กองสมานผมว่าเข้ากันเท They have just kicked off the ball สวยครับพี่รู้ตระไกลไหมว่างั้มมาตารมิสเตอร์ลุงอานกำลังตั้งสั่งเต็มมั้งสุดๆบ่แม่เอาทั้งกระสุนปลากันไทย Mr. Gaidan ตลอดอย่างเงี้ยสิปัว number 10 so far so good เอโรเพลนนี่ป้าก็ต้องมาแล้วมันท่าราไม่ต้องฟิลรู้ว่าเอโรเพลนรี or เอโรเพลนแสงแกมแต่เฮ้ย stopper Mr. Guys into the kong kan thei Mr. Gang my bola kan thei kong đất kan thei so ba me how gọi ba me cao ri ro ma ting e to how gọi de Mr. Longon 03 jersey number กระบงนี่กระบงกระตันนี่กระตันพลบสวยดีๆไงเอาไว้แบบแม่นแต่ว่าso far the possession is controlled by RCFD team seemsสวยบำเดะhandball เต่ากันที่ปุยจอแท้ RCFD will kick สวยบำแม่ Obed striker ball พังกันเท out ปะเราดักกันเทว่ามันก็ใช้ตรงแม่จ้ะปลาโปรละลังเราจะนินเตะริมกองดักกันเท stopper ด้วยนะเอาไว้แบบนี้RCFD หรือบอลพังดักกันเทเอาไว้แบบนี้us กองดักกันเทเอาไว้แบบนี้ลงกันก็ได้ลงอันนี้มีน่ารักเท่นังลาจีหรือว่าพี่ตาเต้นปูสวยดีไงปักสวยเด้เอ้ยอันนี้ outro from RCFD เอาไว้แบบนี้Mr. Chaki MD สวยๆแบบนี้ไงAeroplane Padasante Bistaraเอาไฟกูได้ปนิเท RCF Delhi ไฟกูกันเทเอาไว้แบบนี้โอเค fold that way foldที่เราก็เทแต่ว่า just put enough fold นี่เรากันเทก้าวกันแล้วกันเทแต่ว่าอากาศเขาเร่ close up แล้วเราค่ะ Mr. Dizian บอกสินมาเมนแต่ว่าตีไก่กันเท left winger ค่ะเอาไว้แบบนี้no there that was a good try Mr. Dizian เอโรนาปูเลยนะก้าวเราก็เทกระแปงปากก็เทแต่ต่อยแต่ถ้า position ไหนเจ้ามือกันเขา RCFD หรือก้าวไม้บัมเดอร์เจ้นั่งกันเทใกล้กันเท RCFD back to almost goal remedy ไอ้goal good กลัดเทgoal good กลัดเทสวยๆนี่ก็เนี่ยตรงนี้พุดกันอย่างเงี้ย the blue shirt dark blue is jersey is CBCD for your kind information stopper กองกันเท stopper from RCFD carrying the ball Mr. Dizianเจ้าเอาไว้แบบนี้that was a small fold from CBCD RCFD going to kick the full kick keeperเอาไว้เข้ามาบอลเลยเอาสุดสุดอันนี้เท from CBCD stopper ก้าวงังกันเอาไว้แบบนี้มิสเตอร์จอสกีกันนี้สวยๆฮาร์มันดิ่งปักสวยเด้ปักสวยเด้goalนี่เต็มสุดดิ่งCBCDกุดที่มังอะไรสวย Mr. Obed ball phang thế tung lô cái thế hậu gọi vào mẹ cà bảo Ilian tèo ai hậu gọi ấy cà bảo hậu gọi ấy hậu gọi thế hậu gọi vào mẹ cái đâyปูbố phăng ở đây cái tình huống của bố là làm thế ta thì hậu gọi ấy xuống hậu gọi vào mẹ RCFD in the form now let's see tèo ai cây đất cần sẵn thôi chị ra saki ba mươi vòng của tèo của bố xoay bên đây áo bạc ăn thế RCFD rồi ना इधर को अपने थे थोड़ा लाइन से बाहर जाना ठीक है hậu gọi bấm đế ê chơi hậu gọi bấm đế tí diện bạc sủi bấm mẹ tèo tới stopper phụ bẹt thôi cày đã cần thế keeper rebola cần thế tí xin suy striker so di nga call to go tem ngare di jian ball sin moment ewa so to ye Mr. Lung Lai po ball sin kai kan the bo ai pak duak lo da kan kom the pak do lo da kan don CBCD re ball la da kan the tewa number 11 kala nga kan number 11 reckoning is for me so far nổ thế máy thổi đã trọng khơi lineman tèo out đấy tụi it's a corner kick from RCF Telly how qua go con nè ai ya wow RCFD Mr. number 19 rồi là goal salaw kan the hawai na the goal corner kick was passed by Mr. Alung or Alung Pamai or Long Lai Pao so thế RCFD gọi so far the score is 2 versus 1 RCFD 2 CBCD 1 the ball has started again. Kick off again. Hậu gọi vào mẹ. Mr. Lungan ball lỗ cần thế. Hậu gọi vào mẹ. Hậu gọi vào mẹ. The ball is going good so far, Mr. Dizian. Okay. Cameraman is quite mad. I'm telling you. So yeah. Đèn hút gồm nó tìm chỉ ball. RCFD rồi nó off. Hỏi đâu mình hindi à? Line bang nó bà đình mà mình nói mà mình tin tèo cái giờ đi hết. Hậu gọi. Good team rồi. Out kick from CBCD. Con ngang kan thế. Hậu gọi vào mẹ. Hậu gọi. Cá chuông gì? Tèo hả bố hay tấn thao bầm thế. Keeper putin na pangatuma dalom sikat katawa ki that was okay hey susoy ba mẹ going good okay ba mẹ ball is going okay so far. There are falls, lot of contain. I don't know who made the fall. CBCD the fall là cái cao ngang mình thấy cao ngang cần thấy. Mr. Longan. So how did that Mr. Gadolong ball meram khanti lau da kan the. Mani pak wa me susui de. Mr. Obed. Hawa ba me. Hey. Hawa. Hawa. That was output from CBCD. Cao ngang đó cái thế. RCFD is controlling again now. Let's see. Oh, good. Hey! CBCD cái liệm này. Run see bấm mỏi đấy. Suy bấm đấy. How are you, Mr. DJ? Ball, hey! How are you? How are you? How are you, mate? Suy bấm mate. Ass. Cái này bù bố xin nên tèo à, hậu gái as, chà, hậu gái, hậu gái bà mẹ áo cái lần ngã lâu thế tàu tại, Mr. Obed rồi nè cái đi phun là cái thế tèo hả, slowly, carrying the ball. Susui thế cao suy để control ni susui ye CBCD ni susui ba me tewa suy để stopper cao kai kan thế Hawaii ba me Mr. Longan, talent sauce from India. Subame. Oh, out ball now. I don't know that was a corner or out. CBCD also trying their best now. There was RCF ball ở đó kan thế, ball phong đó kan thế, so đó rồi cái này stopper from RCFD, suy đấy, aya. Ra thủy ngâm luôn, cô là cần gì nghe, giáo lâu đình ó, there was fall pi cần thế, there was a fall, CBCD in a fall company because of the high kick or picking up close to danger zones. Zero CBCD ball ka opening tewa. Áo pakante. Mete. Badalo. Kome kamaya. Suye. đi ngang khoai mà tí bây giờ thế upside lò cần thế sui vào má để vào sui vào má Mr. MD Saki MD sui đi nghe bảo Elia rồi cần bao cái ní đi chiều lông lò ta cần thế RCFD also trying their best. CBCD also trying their best. Oh, another goal by RCF Delhi. So the goal score is 3 versus 1. CBCD 1, RCFD 3. How gọi là hậu man tao cheerleader bằng ní mà nung ngoài mà mồi á. Anh tao ở đó lòng ta bari ra bông rồi action đi nằm lắm rồi. Cái linh nó man về lại để ta đâu ní. Tao Mr. Long Lai Pao controlling. Long Pao mà controlling. Cái bao lia. Ground tiêu ground. Cao rêu. Công tiêu. Hậu gọi chứ. Ê, bao lia bao không? Hậu gọi bà mẹ. Hậu gọi ấy. Oh, another goal from RCF Delhi. So now the score is 4 versus 1. Bảo lia của rộng đồng ngố cái này đi luôn. No there. There will be another start again. Khẩu đã cần thế. CBCD. They need to return another 3 goals. Mr. Alung controlling the ball. Hậu gọi bà mẹ. Bác Suy ấy. Bác Suy ấy. Nào Suy bà mẹ. Ê. Mana puta number 6 Alung ấy. Tăng này muscle cramps phẩm đã sản thích gì. Medical issue tên là này thế nào vậy? Finally, the match is over. The score is 4 RCFD versus 1 goals in CBCD. Well done, everybody. Player của sôi đỉnh thế. Lốp sủi thế. Alright, lốp sủi thế.